By using the simple for loop, we can create this amazing pattern. Let's see how we can do it. Important library. Once done, we will be using color mode so that we can use the RGB color code. And let's set it to 255. Then let's lift the pen up using go to. Let's take the turtle towards a left and a little bit above. And then using pen down will help me to place the pen back on the screen. Once done, let's set tracer to 50 so that the pattern can be drawn quite faster. Let's add the background color and let's set it to black. Once done, let's add the color code now. So color code, as it is the set of 3 parameters, so we'll be adding 229 for red, 137 for green and 109 for blue. That is done. Now we are ready to draw the shape. So for eye in range, let's repeat it for 80 times just to populate it. And as it is made up using the circle, we'll be calling the circle function followed by the radius, and the extent angle that we are going to use is going to be of 90. So technically we are not creating the whole circle, we are actually creating 1/4 part of it so that we get a little bit of arch. Now here we'll be turning it left. Once done, let's turn it more. Let 20. Once done, let's create another circle with the same value. 110 is the base radius, and it will gradually keep on decreasing every single time the value of I gets updated. And once done, let's turn it 18 degrees. Alrighty, and then we are done. Let's save it. Make sure you're using done out of the for loop, and the reason we are using done, we want the output screen to be there on the screen so that it closes only when we want it to. When we click on the cross sign at the top, then only it should close. So let's hit the run and see how it goes. So we have this amazing pattern. You can increase the number of repetitions based on your choice, and this is how we do it. Here, as already mentioned, in this circle portion, we are actually setting a base radius, which is going to get reduced every single time the value of I is going to increase. So the initial value of I, when the loop runs for the first time, will be 0 by default, and it gradually keeps on increasing. The more higher value of I, the smaller circle is going to be. Now, once you will be done, do make sure to make the changes in the angle over here and see how your pattern looks like. And I'm sure you will answer in the comments and tell me how did it go. Hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to Code Niche.